Hey creators! ByteDance is reportedly launching CapCut US, a special version of its blockbuster video editing app to dodge a TikTok-style ban. Is this a game changer for US editors? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this CapCut scoop. Reports surfaced that ByteDance, TikTok's Chinese owner, plans to roll out CapCut US to comply with a 2024 US law demanding it divest its US operations or face a ban. Like its US-specific TikTok plan, CapCut US aims to keep the app alive for American users. Ready for the details? Keep watching! CapCut is a global hit with over 1 billion Google Play installs and the top spot on the iOS US App Store. Its easy-to-use templates and pro-level features make it a go-to for slick videos. But US lawmakers are pushing ByteDance to split its US business over data privacy concerns, prompting this US-only version to avoid a potential ban mirroring TikTok's strategy. According to reports, CapCut US will isolate American users from ByteDance's global operations, ensuring compliance with the 2024 law. No word yet on a launch date or if other ByteDance apps like Lemonade or Goth will get US variants. With TikTok's US sale talks involving bidders like Perplexity AI and AppLovin, ByteDance's future in the US is shaky, but CapCut US could secure its editing throne. CapCut US is huge for creators, keeping a top-tier editing tool accessible amid rising competition from Meta and YouTube's rivals. This move shows ByteDance doubling down to protect its US market while navigating legal hurdles. If successful, it could reshape how global apps operate in the US. Is CapCut US your next editing go-to? Keep editing those viral clips and stay ready for the switch. What's your favorite CapCut feature? Drop it below. That's the scoop on ByteDance's CapCut US plans. Are you hyped to keep editing with CapCut or curious about the US ban drama? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.